W3 schools, it will explain a piece of syntax, and then it will give you some examples. But also on part of it, you can actually like run the SQL.
Yes.
And it will give you the output.
And then you can go off on tangent and like not do what it's saying and do some stuff, which is good practice.
Yeah. So do some of these other, like the gaming section that you mentioned just before this, do any of those work similarly where you like, how do you know you got the right answer?
It'll tell you. So for example, with the mystery, the murder mystery, you have to insert who you think done it into a table, murder table, something like that. I don't remember what it's called.
Okay.
So, and then once you do, then it'll tell you if you won or not. So you have to select all the things to figure out who you think it is and do that insert. Right. And so you're writing SQL and running SQL to investigate, and that's how you do the thing. And I haven't done SQL schema verse, but I assume it's similar. You put things into tables like what you want things to do in order to do it, and then the ticks happen, and then the turns happen based on what you put in SQL and the way they interact in SQL.
Okay.
Of course, they even mentioned people like write Python to automate their SQL. But if you're automating SQL, you're just doing SQL faster, better, more efficiently.
But I thought about that because I'm familiar with how W3 schools work. So carry on. We're talking about ways to practice.
Yeah, and I didn't actually know about this one until today. Because I've been to W3 schools all the time, but it's always been kind of like Stack Overflow or Wikipedia, where I end up there looking up something. I end up there because I looked up whatever, and then now I have a little snippet, and I knew it was interactive. But then I found out that it literally has exercises today by accident. So I added this, to this. So yeah, go there and you can practice there.